interactive session with you guys. So you can ask anything regarding any doubts regarding basically innovation during the course of 3 to 4 years. So if you want to start, if you have some idea, what is basically design thinking? Yeah, completely curious. So design thinking is basically for anything, okay, for any sort of material which will be of a better design, that is a prototype making, so that it will be helpful in some other way. So mainly the definition, it is a method to practical and creative solution of problems and creation of solutions. It is solution based on solution focused thinking to provide a unified method to tackle a complex problem. So this is in general, so it includes all the fields. For us, it is basically when you talk about design thinking, mostly it comes to any instrument or any material of that sort, which will improve its usage. Okay, mostly. For example, if you have like I think we had a hackathon recently, so a lot of students have come up with a lot of ideas in that. So each one is a design thinking. So similarly, that is what. So any idea in that matter which has slight variations, which can bring a lot of innovation there. So this will result in a prototype making. This prototype later on will be converted into a business startup model, and then we will work on it. So that is how it will be going on. Dr. Vishal will be elaborating on design thinking right now.
So as Dr. Devika said, once you have come up with some design thinking, there are some principles or main things you need to follow to implement this prototype into a real life invention or a technology. So if you see, the core of design thinking focuses on understanding what the people need. You can design a simple instrument in multiple ways, but is it what is required now currently? Is it going to facilitate people or let's say dentists or doctors work? Is it going to make it easy? So you need to think of things like that when you are thinking about designing a new invention. And it also focuses on creatively discovering the best solution to those who need and solve the problems or fill the gaps that exist. So what I want you guys to do now is to think of a few ideas. First, think of a few problems that exist. It can be very simple problems or very complex problems also. And note it down on a sheet of paper and.
Okay. Could you elaborate on this? So whenever you take pictures, it's not that clear on the results, and there is no such innovation that has come into existence for the camera that we use. We all know that there are some cases of higher-end cameras that are not like part of a dentistry, but we use it for other normal photography purpose. But we are not concerned with dentistry. But nowadays we can see that dental photography is emerging, and there are specific courses that people opt for it. But there is no such specific devices for taking pictures of the camera or any specific cases that we do. So I thought of this rough idea, like fog-free cameras, insert a small minute message which we can directly elaborate on. That's a very good idea. A very simple, beautiful idea where CIC doesn't stick into the, usually they have those plastic instruments very sticky. So anything which won't stick to the instrument. Actually some modification either CIC or the instrument. So that won't stick at cost take place. Okay, that's a good idea. 3-in-1 auto brush. Someone has elaborated on it. Who is this? During breaks, so it has usually we suggest 3 types of brushes, introduction brush, flossing and auto brush, which is mainly composed of central space and lateral brushing of the stem. Many patients they think it is costly to buy 3, or they also buy they move somewhere, like stay somewhere else. So combining these 3 together